What is up, guys? Oh, Yo, what's up, guys? Mitch back for a brand new video, and today, guys, we're doing something a little different. We're doing a challenge video. I haven't done these in like a year, actually, and here's my friend here. His name is Ben, and the twin over there sitting next to Bor.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son.
His name is Jake, so they're twins. Jake is older by 2 minutes, but yeah, we're doing the what's inside the box challenge. So first, Ben is gonna do it first, so we have to get stuff in it. So Ben, go put your head down over there next to Merrick. Okay, but yeah, guys, let's go pick a food. All right, we have to be quiet though. Okay, let's go.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son.
Oh shoot! What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? That's Merrick. Okay, what are we gonna get? Dude, we should do this. Just a little cap. Okay, guys, look. Coffee. It tastes pretty good, but it's not coming out. It's not coming out. There we go. Oh god, dude, he's never gonna know.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Squeeze it.
Squeeze that thing. Oh, I know. No profanity, bro. Birds. Strawberry jam. All right. Ben, we're ready for you.
Zoom in.
In a bowl.
How do you zoom in?
You press this thing. But no, I just did. I just zoomed in. What is it?
Oh yeah.
Squishy.
Squishy.
You're not allowed to look at your hands though, because that's cheating. So you have to keep your hands in and like feel it.
Is there two things?
No, it's
Nope,
one thing.
just one.
Just one.
Applesauce.
Nope.
Applesauce, chocolate milk, and something else.
Dude, I told you it's one thing.
Squishy stuff. What is it? I can
Strawberry jam. Okay, guys, so sorry about that. The camera just turned off. Jake is still over there. Or, well, not still over there, but it's our turn. It's Ben and I's turn to hide something. I know what I'm going to hide first. Look at it. I think you know what. I think you all know what that is. Very good stuff. Rochach. All right, Jake, you can come. Let's see if Jake knows what it is.
It's edible.
Oh yeah, it's good. It's a good.
Real good. Oh, it's
Fudge.
Why is it in a bowl?
What?
Why is it in a bowl?
I don't know. We just felt like doing it. Well,
Yeah. Is it
But Ben put sprinkles in it, but that's not really counting.
sprinkles?
No, that's not a part of it. That was just so Ben could put it in. I don't know why.
I don't know what it is.
Cookie dough. And now it's my turn, so I will see you guys in 1 second. Hey guys, I'm under the covers. It's super weird how I said that. Oh my gosh. Can't cheat. I think Ben.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family.
Take the foods out and like put them behind somewhere. Here, I'm not looking. I'm not looking, guys. Can't even see because my flip screen. I don't have a flip screen.
Mitchell,
So,
you're just covering it.
all right.
Is it edible?
Yeah. Yes. One.
Is it in a bowl?
Yes. No, we only have 2 things.
That's Skittles.
Yeah. This one. We can
Okay.
take them out and eat them after. Okay.
All right. These are more Skittles.
There's something. No, other corner.
It's a rock.
Yeah.
But you said there was one more thing.
No. I'll figure it out. It was these.
Skittles in a rack. Yeah, boys, let's go.
your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family.
I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more of these guys, we're having a sleepover tonight, hopefully. And yeah, and we're gonna probably try to make another video with my new kittens I got. I have not made a video on that.
We'll go show you a quick peek.
We'll show you a quick sneak peek.
No.
What
One
the-
kitten's up there right now.
No, not anymore. All right. This is what they look like. I know, Mom. We're just looking at them. If you want to see more of them, then like, comment, and subscribe. And go check out my main channel, the Mitchell O channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.